What's up, Leanne? Gio. We at Blackhawk Museum. You're gonna see some cars in there. Yeah, they got cars in here. We go museum right there. Got a little playground outside. Whoa. This one. They protect you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Whoa. What's that, buddy? Hey, Dexter, no running, no yelling, or climbing. Everybody see some cars. It's a museum full of cars. They got some Lambos?
Yeah, you got Lambo in here.
Hey. Going to China. Ooh. I think there's more this way, yo. Jackson, look at this one. They got some dinosaurs. Oh, they got a kid tunnel. Wow. Whoa, Kyrie said whoa. What's this, Dax? These look so real. Dax, look at this one, bud. Look, a chameleon. Dang. I'm shook. I just thought the cars was here.
I know, right?
When I looked at the Google, it was just like cars. Then I was like, what? There's animals? Oh yeah? How'd you find out about this place? Oh yeah? Just read it. Yeah. Wow, that's awesome right here. Look how real that is. This is like the best like fake animals I've seen. This tiger right here. Look at the detail on this tiger. What? Look at that wolf. Dude. Yeah, look at that. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Wow. See monkeys? Ooh. You love zebras? Look at his hand on the waist. Whoa, look at the lion catching the zebra, Dax. Whoa. What? Got some robot rhinos.